Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm Mr. Jones Crasto and I would like to welcome you to Jones Crasto, your ultimate destination for entertainment and news. Our YouTube channel brings you the latest in news and entertainment, while our brokerage services excel in mergers and acquisitions, as well as the buying and selling of exclusive real estate, luxury yachts, corporate jets, and helicopters, along with managing their global operations. For more details, visit our website at jonescrasto.com or contact us at jonescrasto@gmail.com. Thank you for tuning in. Next, let's dive into a discussion about KULR partners with US Army on helicopter vibration tech. Experience the future of aviation safety and efficiency. Discover how KULR technology is redefining helicopter performance with groundbreaking vibration reduction solutions for the AH-64E Apache and UH-60 Black Hawk. Watch now to uncover the innovation that could change aviation forever. Like, share, and subscribe to join the conversation and keep up with game changing advancements. Helicopters like the AH-64E Apache and UH-60 Black Hawk are indispensable assets for the US Army, renowned for their combat and utility roles. But even these incredible machines face challenges that demand constant innovation. One such challenge: vibration. Enter KULR Technology Group, a leader in thermal management and vibration reduction solutions. In a groundbreaking collaboration, KULR and the US Army are gearing up to evaluate the revolutionary KULR VIBE system. This partnership could redefine the standards of helicopter performance and safety. Helicopter vibrations aren't just a nuisance, they have significant implications for operational efficiency, pilot safety, and long term maintenance costs. KULR VIBE offers a cutting edge solution optimizing balance and minimizing vibrations to unprecedented levels. The AH-64E Apache, often called the Flying Tank, and the UH-60 Blackhawk, a backbone of utility aviation, are critical platforms for US defense. Enhancing their performance through vibration reduction could lead to longer service lives and reduced maintenance downtime. What sets KULR Vibe apart is its ability to analyze and mitigate vibrational impact in real time. This capability not only improves the machine's performance but also enhances safety for pilots and crew operating under demanding conditions. The evaluation, set to commence in 2025, will involve rigorous testing of the KULR VIBE system. The US Army aims to explore how this technology can contribute to the operational efficiency of these critical helicopters. KULR's collaboration with the Army highlights the importance of public private partnerships in advancing defense technology. It's a testament to the company's commitment to delivering innovative solutions that meet military standards. For pilots and ground crews, vibration isn't just an engineering problem, it's a daily reality. Excessive vibrations can cause fatigue, reduce mission effectiveness, and accelerate wear on aircraft components. KULR promises a solution that addresses these issues at their core. Imagine a Black Hawk or Apache that operates smoother, safer, and with lower maintenance costs. That's the vision KULR is bringing closer to reality through this collaboration. The implications of this technology go beyond the military. KULR's success could pave the way for applications in commercial aviation, expanding its impact across industries. As KULR and the US Army prepare for this in-depth evaluation, the aerospace community is watching closely. Will these technologies set a new benchmark for helicopter performance? This story isn't just about mechanics, it's about the people who rely on them, from pilots to maintenance crews. The benefits of reduced vibrations resonate on a human level, making missions safer and more effective. The collaboration underscores a broader trend: the increasing role of technology in addressing age old aviation challenges. KULR VIBE exemplifies how innovations can elevate the most advanced platforms. For those passionate about aviation and defense, this is a story of progress, partnership, and potential. It's a reminder that even the smallest technological advancements can have a massive impact on performance and safety. Stay tuned as we follow the journey of KULR and the US Army in this groundbreaking evaluation. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more stories about innovation shaping the future of aviation. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching.